Today we're doing the phrase, the food tastes so good. Because whenever I cook, the food tastes so good. Right, Darian?
Yes.
Oh, I think you're lying.
No, I'm not.
You like when I cook?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're being nice. He's being nice, not lying. He's being nice. I don't think it tastes very good when I cook. Okay, so today we're going to do this phrase in one language. You can DM us for the phrase of the day calendar. And Darian, why don't you choose what language we're going to be doing? Go for it. And hit it. Harder. It's not working. Okay, you chose Romanian.
Ooh, what's Romania?
It's in Romania. It's a Latin-based language. So I think you're going to get an ear for it. You've tried it a couple times. So if you already have the $35 phrase book, you can try out this phrase in the language of your choice. Darren got chocolate all over a random language generator.
I'll just lick this off.
Oh my gosh, please don't. Okay, so let's do the food tastes so good. Not the random language generator tastes so good, Darian. So we're going to go down to T if you already have the book.
T for tall.
And we're going to go over to taste. It's always like a good phrase to learn, like things that taste good. So if you're at someone's house and they speak the language, you can say that after you eat instead of just being like, good. But just be like, wow, the food tastes so good.
So good.
Yeah, so let's try this one out. You ready? Okay.
Mâncarea
are
un gust
foarte
bun.
bun.
Mâncarea are un gust foarte bun.
Mâncare are un gust foarte bun. Foarte bun. I have to hear that again. You want to try it one more time?
What?
Let's get it. I think we can get this.
Mâncarea
are
un gust foarte bun. Mâncarea are un gust foarte bun.
Mâncarea are un gust foarte bun. Okay, that one was take us a while, but it is fun to say. So for us to practice more, every time we eat something and it tastes good.
It's like right there and I can touch it.
Yeah, you can like touch it. Well, every time we eat something good, like that peanut butter cup you popped in your mouth when we started filming. Did you have the wrapper in your mouth?
I like eating paper sometimes.
Oh my gosh, kids. Okay, thanks for joining us for today's phrase of the day. Practice saying this phrase every time your mom cooks, because every time your mom cooks, it's good, whether the food tastes good or not. All right, see you all tomorrow. Bye.